Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Wednesday, man. Just got in, about to pull the van into the shop. So anyway, you entrepreneurs, man, check out this video. This is a video from the job I just left. Mrs. Suzanne and her husband Dennis, they was a polite to work for, man. I want to share this with some entrepreneurs because, again, a lot of us, when we get into business, we think we have to be the cheapest. We think that we have to give specials and discounts. And guys, I'm here to tell you, I've been on both sides of the field. You know, when I first started, I had that mindset. I got to be the cheapest. I got to get discounts. I got to get specials. And guys, eventually, man, over the years, I just realized it wasn't doing anything for me. And I was the one that was getting the short end of the stick. So I shifted my business. I shifted my whole mindset. And guys, I know you can get on here and you can hear us, you know, people like us, entrepreneurs talk. But I love to engage with my clients. And the reason why is because these are the people that are hiring us, you know, for these services. And you get an opportunity to see how they think. And in this video, you're about to listen to my client, Miss Susan. We start talking. Again, she's paid for my in-home consultation, something that a lot of companies don't do. I do it because I value my time, and I know there are companies that do value, you know, their time as well, because I actually got the in-home consultation from other companies that do it, and people do understand, you know. And she told me, she said, Courtney, I had another company come in, they didn't charge her, and check this out, guys. She said from the time they pulled up, I knew they were not the company for me. She said they were just not professional. I just didn't even like the whole presentation. She said another company did not even answer the phone. Now this lady, Miss Susan, said she wrote down 12 different company names, okay? And out of those 12, she chose 3. And I ended up getting the job for them. And again, guys, they were just so happy with the services. And I just want you guys to hear, okay, hear what Miss Susan said. And this is going to allow to help change some of you guys' mindsets of how you operate your business. Because like I always say, there's 2 types of clients, all right? And you have to determine what type of clients you want to work for. If, you know, again, I know, trust me, I get it. Some people are looking for the cheapest. Some people are looking for, you know, they're price shopping. That's not me. I'm a small company. I'm an owner operator. I don't have to be the cheapest, okay? I have value. This is what my clients tell me. Courtney, you do things that other companies don't do. You have the videos, you have the pictures, you have the, you know, the recognition, all right? You answer your phones, you know what I'm saying? You're very polite. You have great communication skills, all right? So, you know, clients give me, you know, compliments on my vehicle wraps, you know, my wraps, you know. I had a client that booked the $20,000 job. She said, Courtney, we drove past your shop just to make sure that, you know, you were legit. And again, this is why I have a shop. So I just want to say, guys, just listen to this video. And as a new entrepreneur, you know, just any entrepreneur, you don't even have to be new. Any entrepreneur, if you want to shift your business, these are the type of people you need to, you know, work for. These are the people that are going to value you. But first, you have to value you. And anybody who is looking, you know, to change their mindset, don't hesitate to reach out to me. All right, guys, check it out.
You know, you should leave us a card or 2. So
I definitely will.
We have other, I'm sure a lot of other neighbors have got the same thing.
Yeah.
All these homes are like,
Got these wood floors. So yeah, I'll leave you some of my brochures.
Okay. Yes.
Thank you, Dennis.
Great. Thank you.
This is really nice.
Thank you, Miss Susan.
Oh my goodness.
And you know one thing, I greatly appreciate you hiring me, giving me the opportunity. Because me and Dennis was talking about this. Because remember when I first did the in-home consultation,
Right.
and you said that one company showed up, and you said from the bat you knew you were not going to hire
That's
them
right.
because they were not professional.
Right.
And that's one thing that I try to teach other contractors is people, especially people who are looking for quality, they look at your presentation first.
Yes.
You know, they just don't look at the price. And that's what me and Dennis said. He said, I told my wife to hire the best.
Yes.
So thank you so much.
I actually called another company, and they basically just did not ever call me back.
Wow. And that's another complaint I get. Well, not complaint, but that's another thing I hear. They say, Courtney, I call these companies and they don't even call me back.
That's crazy.
That is crazy. And you know, it makes me feel a little awkward, but also good, because I'm like, I'm an owner operator.
Yes.
And I answer my own phones. And you have these companies that like, or they say, well, Courtney, they called me back 3-4 days later and it was too late. Yeah.
That's exactly right.
Wow.
So that's 2, and then you.
So too, wow. Thank you so much. All right.
2 bad ones, 1 good one.
Thank you. I thank you, Miss Susan.
All right.
Yep, these floors came out amazing.
Very nice.
Yep. So I'm going to help Mr. Dennis put the table back, and he said you guys will put everything about tomorrow.
We will.
Yep.
All right.
All right, guys. See you in the next one, ma'am. And Miss Susan, you originally found me on Google, right? How did you originally find me?
I went to Google.
Went to Google.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, thank you.
Our engineered floor refinishing near me,
Okay.
and you popped up.
Most people, that's what most people do, the near me, because I use Google Analytics, and that's what most people do. They'll do hardwood floor refinishing near me, wood floor refinishing companies near me, but near me is very popular.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
is.
Most people don't even use the cities. Like you would think someone would use like hardwood floor refinishing in Browserton, because most people don't think there's a lot of companies in Browserton, so they'll do near me. And
Yes.
yep. And see, I'm in Lawrenceville, so it'll pull me from Lawrenceville out here.
Actually, I looked up about 12 companies online, looked at the pictures, looked at all the reviews, and yours was the best.
Out of 12 companies.
Because I have a paper with them on them.
Wow.
Checked them off and starred the ones that looked good. So,
Well, thank you. That makes me feel good. I got chose out of 12 companies.
yes, you did. It took some time to do that, too.
Yeah. But you know, that's good though, because that's what a lot of people don't do. It's called research. Do your research so you know what
yes.
you're getting. Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Yep. And that's what you did. You did your research.